Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to invite someone to ConvertKit. So, first thing that you will do is simply go to your ConvertKit and go to your profile on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here, guys. And now once you are on the settings, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here, guys, theme. So just simply click on theme over here. And after that, you should be able to see here, invite a team member. So just simply click on this one. And after that, just simply provide the username of this person. Let's say I'm going to go for admin. And after that, just simply provide their email address. And guys, remember that they will receive an invitation so they can join the team. So just simply provide their email over here. And after that, you will have two options. You can either give them user permissions or editor permission. So when you go for admin, they will have access everything in the account. If editor, they can do everything except change account settings. So in this case, I will go admin and click on invite. And from there, guys, you should be able to invite someone to ConvertKit, and they have to accept the email in order for them to be on the team. There you go. See ya.